Understanding Promise the Moon, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, promise the moon. This phrase is widely used in English-speaking cultures, and understanding it can help you grasp the nuances of English conversations. So, let's explore what it means, how it's used, and dive into some examples to help you get a solid understanding. Stay tuned. The phrase, promise the moon, refers to making grand, ambitious promises that are difficult or impossible to fulfill. It's about offering something very desirable or wonderful, but it's usually used in contexts where the speaker doubts the promises will be kept. The moon here symbolizes something far-reaching and unattainable, highlighting the exaggerated nature of the promise. Understanding the origins of idioms can make them easier to remember. While the exact origin of promise the moon is unclear, it's believed to stem from the age-old fascination and mystique surrounding the moon. For centuries, the moon has represented something beautiful, mysterious, and out of reach for humans, making it a perfect metaphor for impossible promises. This idiom is versatile and can be used in various contexts. In personal relationships, to describe someone who makes big promises to impress or reassure, but may not follow through. In politics or business, to critique individuals or companies that offer grandiose plans or benefits that seem unrealistic. It's often used in a slightly negative or skeptical way, implying doubt about the promise being fulfilled. To help you understand how to use promise the moon, let's look at some examples. He promised the moon to get elected, but has he delivered on those promises? During the job interview, they promised the moon, but the reality of the job was much different. She's always promising the moon to her friends, but everyone knows she can't possibly do everything she says. Learning idioms can be challenging, but they're crucial for mastering conversational English. Here are a few tips. Context is key. Always pay attention to the context in which idioms are used. This can help you grasp their meaning and usage. Practice makes perfect. Try using new idioms in sentences or while speaking with friends. This will help solidify your understanding. Keep a diary. Write down idioms you come across, along with their meanings and examples. Reviewing them regularly can improve your recall. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meaning and usage of promise the moon. Idioms like this one add color and depth to our conversations, and understanding them is a step toward fluency in English. We hope this video has illuminated this fascinating phrase for you. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to promise the moon in your English learning journey. Just make sure you can deliver. See you in our next video.